Hello creators, today we are diving into the world of Writesonic AI once again. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the steps to seamlessly sign into your Writesonic AI account using your web browser. So let's get started. First thing first, open Safari on your device and ensure you have a reliable internet connection to make the sign-in process swift and smooth. So click on Safari. Now go to the search bar at the bottom of your screen and search for Writesonic AI, and once you see it, click on it. So once you're on this page, you can directly log in by clicking on Login tab, or you can also open the official website to log in. So for that, you need to click on writesonic.com. So once you open the website, this is the first interface that you'll see, and on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see Sign In tab. Click on it. Now you can sign in with a Google account or with your Apple ID or with your business email. So today I'm going to sign in with my business email. So I'm going to put my business email there, and you can choose any option given below while signing in. Today I'm signing in with OTP, so I'm going to click on Sign In with OTP tab. Now a mail has been sent by Team Writesonic on your mailbox. Look for the mail and copy the code to verify your email address and paste it in the box given on the screen and click on verify. And there you have it, signing in to Writesonic AI from the web browser is a breeze. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech insights, and hit that notification bell to stay in the loop. Keep creating amazing content. I'll catch you in the next video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.